Hey everyone, and welcome back to SuccessVault. Making money can be difficult, but it shouldn't have to be. Making extra money from home has never been easier with the numerous side hustles available in today's gig economy. While you do not get paid a ton of money for watching videos online, you can do it in your spare time and easily redeem your earnings using PayPal or free gift cards. Stick around, because these easy methods will have you earning passive income in a day. Today we are going to be talking about how to earn $100 your first day watching videos online. Make sure you stay until number 1, as you don't want to miss the best technique to watch and earn. Number 1, make a PayPal account. In order to start getting money in with these methods, you will first need a PayPal account. This will assure that you have a safe and secure way to hold all of the money you make. This is also the preferred wallet for the methods we will be using today. PayPal is one of the most widely used wallets out there. It's simple to set up a PayPal account. First, visit the website. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the sign up button. It will ask you to input your email address and a password. Just fill those out. It's pretty straightforward and simple. Once you have a PayPal account, you can easily link your bank account so that you can withdraw all your earnings into liquid cash. Another thing you can do with PayPal is use it as an online wallet to purchase items while shopping online. It's great. Now that you've done that, it's time to start earning money by watching videos. This should be your first move. Number 2, go to FeaturePoints. FeaturePoints is a great website that will pay you to watch videos. This site offers many different things, such as surveys that will earn you rewards. FeaturePoints is a website and mobile app that rewards you with points for playing games, downloading apps, and completing surveys. Their website and mobile app are very simple and easy to use. There are always plenty of games and surveys, so you don't want to run out of ways to earn. The entire site is rewards-based, and these rewards are how you will earn cash. While there are many different ways to earn with this site, the most interesting way has to be watching videos. It's simple, and it can be an easy way to make passive money. On the top of the page, you'll see a blue bar next to the PayPal logo. This bar has a percentage, and once that percentage reaches 100%, you can then cash out and earn money. The money will go straight to your PayPal. You can choose which amount you'd like to set as a goal. To do this, go to the top of the page and select the Cash Out tab. You will then be shown a page with a PayPal logo. Next to the logo are options. The options are $5, $10, $25, $50, $100, $200, and $500. Select one of these, and you will see what percentage you are at, and how close you are to be able to cash out that amount. How close you are is dependent on how many points you have earned by watching videos. To start, log into the site and go to the Offers tab on the left side of the page. Then, you'll find many different offers that will allow a varying amount of points. There's one option called Ad Gen. This lets you watch videos and advertisements in exchange for points. Using this, you can earn up to 2,500 points. Another way to earn points on this website is by referring a friend. This is a great way to earn a lot of points. Refer 2 people and you can earn 25% of the rewards that they earn. By referring 3 people, you can earn 50% of the rewards they earn. That's a lot of points. You can also download the FeaturePoints app in the App Store and earn through that as well. If you visit the app in the App Store, you can see that it has earned quite a few good reviews. Most reviewers in the App Store will be picky about their apps, so it's a good sign that this app has nearly 4.5 stars. Some reviews state that it's a pretty good app. Others say that it needs a bit of work, but overall, it's totally legit and worth it. Number 3, download app trailers. App trailers is an app that you can use to earn a bit of money on the side while watching videos. Simple. Currently, this app is only available in the United States, so if you're outside of the United States, try out the other apps in this video. Both app trailers, only available on Android. You just download and open the app. Then, once you open the app, you'll see a couple of different options. The option you'll want to look at is the Watch Videos option. When you watch videos using this app, you'll accumulate points, and those points will turn to rewards, with one option being PayPal credit. The more videos you watch, the more rewards you get. One way to really start earning points with this is by downloading the app on your family's devices, and then logging into your account. Then every time they watch videos using app trailers, you'll instantly earn points. It's a fast way to really rack up those rewards and cash out even more money just by watching videos. Number 4, go to Rewardable. The next website to visit is Rewardable. This is another great site to earn cash. The website's tagline itself states, "The site that pays you cash." How enticing is that? To start off with Rewardable, go to their website and click Join the app. Free. That's right. It's simple and free. Take a look at all the options that you have to earn. You can watch videos, do surveys, take part in daily sweepstakes, visit retail stores, and many more. The app has given out millions of rewards since you started, so don't you want to be a part of that? So how does this site work? It's easy. Complete some simple tasks, such as watching videos, cash out your rewards, then grow your community status. This community status will allow you to get bigger rewards. This site has reviews from some big names such as ABC, NBC, CNET, and more. There are also great reviews for this app in the App Store, so that must say something about how well it works. In fact, it has over 10,000 5-star reviews. It's great and a reputable site, so start watching and earning with it now. Number 5. Download AppNana. AppNana is another great app that will earn you easy cash. This is a free app that can help you to get paid just by doing simple tasks. You can watch videos, play games, and do a bunch of other things. This app can actually be a lot of fun. Just go and download it to your mobile device. This app is available for download on both Apple App Store and the Android App Store. Another cool thing about this app is that you have the affiliate program. If you have a YouTube channel with more than 5,000 subscribers, a large Facebook account, or a popular blog, or anything similar, it can be qualified for AppNana's affiliate program. With this program, influencers and big accounts are making up to $300 a day. It works like this. You send in a form to sign up for their program. Then once you're accepted, you'll promote AppNana and use your audience to get more people to sign up for the app. You'll have a unique code that you will use, and anytime someone signs up using that code, you will earn money. Sounds great, doesn't it? This referral program is found scrolling to the bottom of the AppNana website, so check it out. Number 6. Go to TV2. TV2 is yet another wonderful and exciting site to use. This is probably the best one on the list, and you'll really like it as well. With TV2, you can earn money just by watching YouTube videos. Isn't that quite interesting? They call themselves an entertainment ecosystem on the blockchain. How does it work? Well, you'll need a mobile device and a smart TV. Go to the website and find the Setup tab on the top of the page. This will give you a full step-by-step guide on how to set it up. This app is highly reputable. They have been mentioned by Forbes, Vice, Entrepreneur, and many more outlets. So, let's see how it works. First, you will watch videos. That's the simplest part. Then you will collect rewards, which will then be able to be converted into cryptocurrency. With that cryptocurrency, you'll be able to convert it into cash. So don't worry. To boost earnings, you can also complete tasks. So that means more money for you. The site is great because you can see updates and news regarding the app, so you're always in the know. Now, let's take a look at the setup. In order to start, download TV2. Get the app for your Apple or Android device, and also download it onto your smart TV. Having it downloaded on your smart TV isn't absolutely necessary, but it helps. Next, link your devices. Using the app on your smart TV, a QR code will appear. Scan this using the app on your mobile device. Next is the fun part. Sit back, relax, and watch videos. Machine learning will curate the perfect programming for you. Every second you watch, you'll be earning crypto. That's about it. See? Not too hard. If you want to convert your crypto into your currency, simply go over to the site Coinbase. Set up an account with that site. After that, you can then convert the crypto you earned into cash. The funds will be sent straight to your bank account. If you look at the app in the App Store, you can see what kind of content you'll be watching. In the photos, you can see that they have videos from Unbox Therapy and Dude Perfect. These are popular accounts that have allowed their videos to appear on TV2 app. The reason they do this is so that channels can generate more ad revenue and gain new subscribers. It's a win-win situation. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!